special for you. Yes! Actually, I have too much time to show it to you. I don't even know what to do in this outfit because this outfit is not the main character today. So, キアラがデザインして描いて作ってもらいました。私が作ったんですけど。Okay, now we can go a little bit higher. It's a reveal, guys! I'm making my own reveal! Knees. It's kind of brown there, huh? And there's some cute lines. Skirt is kind of short. Cute nail polish. Oh, thank you. Peace, peace. キアラがデザインした、冬用の私服です。あっ！ギャッギャッギャッoh! And there's a heart right here. Attention to detail. And in the back it looks like this. Oh, wow. Ah. Yay! Hello! Kikeriki! It is I, Takanashi Kiara, in my winter casual outfit! Woo! That I designed and I drew. In the past couple weeks, I did this for you to surprise you. I would say this is very inspired by clothes I would wear in reality. Yes, and my twin tails are cute. They're in the front and in the back. And my beret, can you see it has a ribbon? I can't see if you saw that, but did you see it? Kimpi! Why? Why are you not here at our Christmas date? I was waiting for you. He hates me. She hates me. They all hate me. This is really smug. That's the fattest chicken I've ever seen. You look so tasty. Doki 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 doki. And oh, anonymous. Yeah, like as if I'm being interviewed on the street. I am not. No. What? Vtuber? You think my voice sounds familiar to some Vtuber? What are you talking about? What even is that? I don't know what you mean. Crazy. Face reveal. Okay.